you're interested in research, I mean, if you want to get into production or performing, it's still as hard as it always was. But if you're interested in research, I mean, all companies have these online HR websites, and just troll them. I think that's really the smartest way to kind of get in. If you know somebody, I mean, you can certainly do the networking thing, but it's almost like you don't need to. You don't have to be kind of a true research geek to be successful in this area. I mean, you have to have certain fundamental skills, but once you've had those, a lot of it depends on how creative you are. I've always felt that research is a combination of art and science, and I think that's really important. So, again, I'm not saying to do it just because, if you're not interested fundamentally in what it is we do, it probably isn't a great idea. But I can tell you to Beth's question that there are probably more jobs right now, certainly on the entry level, than there are decent candidates. I mean, there's always people who, can fog a mirror, but there are decent candidates who can come in and really, be attractive. And once you get your first job, then, you're golden.